Hello and welcome back to another episode of 7 Billion Humans. I don't know, we're not that close. I want to be closer. But we're slowly getting there. Lazy Pathways, year 61 is next. I don't know, let's just get right into it, I guess. Which one was this one? Oh, it's this one. Let's see, how do we look here? We have 3 commands and a lot of seconds over. Alright, so let's just run once to see what it does. What's missing or what's wrong? I don't see the problem right now. This is wrong. No, it's not wrong. These are wrong. Great. This doesn't solve. Is this our solution then? Who knows? No, that's bad. What is this? Ours are not good. How is this not? Hi. Why did it? Why did I break it? Before, I guess I was trying to optimize it, right? I should have left all of these alone, or copied them at least. So what are we doing? Stepping in the random direction. If we find a 99, we run the for each, and if we find the lowest number, right? Yeah, find the lowest number around us, and then. If the lowest number is... Wait, does this make any sense? I don't think this makes any sense. I don't know. I guess we're checking... But it's impossible. Is it possible? We're checking if this is a 99, which doesn't make any sense. And then we're adding 1 to the lowest number. And if... Mem 2 is not this. We pick up and rewrite this. All of this makes no sense. What is this mess? What is this mess? Because we only go in here if we have a 99 and then rerun it. And then... This doesn't make sense, right? Because I don't think there's a way we could get to a 99 that doesn't have any neighbors that aren't 99s. I think. I don't know what I'm doing here. Let's see. What is this all about? And then this here, yeah, we add the number. Yeah, that makes sense. So like, we can't get to any of these because we're only stepping once. And we can't step like 4 times and then go here. We always only step once, which means there's no way we can reach a 99 that doesn't have any neighbors that aren't 99s, right? It's impossible. And then after that, we set that number to something. Oh no, it is possible. It's possible right here. These are R99s. Right. I mean, one idea I have for speed is to just move them all left in the beginning, so they start here. And not here, because then they always just bounce in and out of, yeah, usefulness. It makes it more likely they go around here too. but not sure about the commands. Okay, so there's a chance if, yeah, all of these guys are gonna hit one of these, and then they're gonna do this, and the lowest number is gonna be, yeah, it's never gonna be anything. It's gonna be 99, and then they're gonna add one. It's gonna be 100. Actually, what happens there? Do they roll over to 0? I guess they do, right? They do 99 plus 1 is 0, maybe? We're gonna copy this one out here in my text file. Just so I have it in case I need it. And then we're gonna start messing with it. We're gonna get rid of this. Oh no, yeah, 100 is a thing. They just count to 100, right? That's fine. But we only... You only want to ride if it's lower than 99. Okay, this is wrong though. These ours are wrong. Yeah. I remember the problems now, yeah. Because like we go here and then this is a 5 and then we go here and we make this one a 6. Which is not right. How did we solve this then? And why did I not save that solution? I don't know. Very bad. And then yeah, the other problem is we could just let it keep running and then they'd fix it eventually, but they'll just keep picking them up and it's never gonna end. That's always the problem with all of these where they have to be on the ground, is that we can solve it in very many ways. The problem is that if we just keep running, if we don't actually check for we're done, then they keep picking them up and it's never gonna count as solved because they're never gonna be all on the ground in their right setup. Which is like a problem in every one of the levers up here, I think. It's like always something that's bothering me. It's just hard to keep track. It's not that hard to make a solution, it's hard to keep track of if you have a solution. And then you should stop messing with it. So how did we work around this? I honestly don't know. I have no idea. So how many issues? Not very many, but enough. 3s to 5, 4s to 5s are good, I think. 6s, 7s, 8s. Yeah, this should be a 9. And then this should be a 10. And then up here, this is bad. 4, 5, 6. This should RE. These should be 7s. These should be 8s. This should be 9. This should be 10. It's just a very frustrating thing, basically. And I think we had something like if it's... What did we have? If it's greater than... something. Let's say 7, maybe? I already made a mistake right there. It's just not reliable, or... Because it's... yeah, it's just the randomness breaks it. Just missing this 9 right here. But we're never gonna solve. Because they're always picking it up again. That's the thing. Like, this would solve 100% of the time, basically, but it also actually solves 0% of the times because they just keep picking them up again. I'm stumped here again. This is not a good start. The thing is, we don't know if we're gonna be like we can't determine if we have a 99 that is already solvable, basically. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I just don't know. We could do something like... No, I can't think of anything. What would be better logic to... Okay, let's just look at the problem in like an isolated case here. We go here. Everyone else just goes up randomly, whatever. One worker goes here. This is 4. 99, 99, 99. We save the 4, 99. We did 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 is not or it's lower than 99, so we write the 5 right here, and then we step to the left. And we're here, and we go 99, 99, 99, 99, 5. So we add 1 is a 6, but it's wrong in this case. How could we avoid that? How could we prevent that from happening? We could count the neighbors, I guess, and see if there's more than one that isn't a 99, but I don't think that's gonna really solve it. Actually, it might. Because in this case, then we wouldn't... We have the 5 right here, and then we would go here, and there's only one neighbor, so we go somewhere else, and we would go here, and we'll do a 4, for example. And then we step back down, and this would be a 5. Oh, you go here. Yeah. Sort of. That would sort of help. But it's more code and more things to keep track of. This is not good. I wish I would remember what I had as a solution, actually. That would be very useful right about now. What would we try to do here? If it's not a 99, but it is a cube, we run it. Wait, what does this do? If it's not a 99. So I guess this one. We run it. And if we find a 99, we step to a 99. Oh, that's interesting, actually. I mean, it breaks, but it's really interesting. I'm definitely never resetting Mem2, which is a problem. Oh, this is our... What am I doing here? It should be +1, right? It's still gonna break, but it should break less horrifically. I mean, that failed, obviously, but it's much better than it was. 2, 3. I mean, this should be 4. This should be 5. Yeah, it's not great. If I had an easy way of determining if a number is bigger than the number I'm standing on by more than 1, then go and change it. That would be the... But how do I mathify that, right? That's an interesting one, though, to think about. It would basically be just if it's a cube, run it, and then determine if it is bigger by more than 1. Which you can do, right? We could do the math for that. We can do... Mem2 is... this minus where I'm standing. And then if that is more than 1, it's incredibly slow. It might be too slow to run. But I think this should solve, right? And we shouldn't run it for the 99s. Yeah, that was silly. I mean, these are all wrong, unfortunately, because we have a wrong number here, but... They are stuck on the right side still, which is really annoying. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna let me solve it. I think this would eventually solve, but it's just too slow to run, basically. These are good now. 6, 7s. It's just this is wrong. I mean, like, we're doing lots of wrong things, basically, which is not good. The 8, 9s. All of these should be 9s, and these should be 10s. How many mistakes do we have still? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This looks good here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This should be a 7. Yeah, he's gonna do it though. And then these should be 8. We just need too long. Ah, so close. So close. So close. And isn't 12 the... Oh, 11, so we were over 1 anyway. Ah, that's... Ugh, I hate that. So if it's a cube and it's not 99, you look at everything else and calc it. Which is just super slow, obviously, because you're like always calculating all the things until we find one that is more than 1, and then we go there and we go out. I don't think this is ever gonna solve. It's just too slow. I mean, and it's 1 command over anyway, so I can't do it like this. I think we got a better approach here now, which is nice. It's just that all of these are stuck over here and just doing nothing. It's the problem with this one. As well as, yeah, we're 1 command over, so we're never gonna get the optimization like that anyway. If someone could just step over here, please. RNG is just so bad. No, they're just left, right, left, right, left, right, up, down, up, down, up, down. Never going here. There we go. That should help a little. But it just takes too long. I kind of like this approach though, because it's different, but yeah, it's too slow. Can we avoid calking all the time? I don't think we can, right? I mean, we can actually, if... But yeah, we're going farther away now. That breaks it. Why, actually? I only want to calc if it is bigger than what I'm standing on. What's still wrong here? 6s, 7s, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This should be a 7. This is the one that's wrong. We need 7 on this 6. And we're never gonna get there. Oh, there's more. Oh yeah, these should be 8, right. We need these 7s now. What is still wrong? Nines. Nines. I actually don't know what's wrong. 2. This should be a... Why is this a... What? Wow, this has turned into a 2. Yeah, that's wrong. Yeah, this is just not... It's fun. This one is fun somehow for me, but it doesn't... It's never gonna work. Alright, back to this one. Back to this one. I don't know how to do it though. I need to look up my solution. I just have no idea when I solved this one even. I need to look up my video, which is like really bad. Let's open my media player right here and then mute the video player. There we go. And then let's just find one of those videos and see. Which year is this? 61? 61. Let's find the one where I'm in year 61. Let's look at this guy. This is year 63. I need to go back. Probably 2 episodes. One more episode. Where is it? Right there. Yeah, okay. When do I solve this? I'm skipping through it. I don't see a solve at all, which is not a good sign. Okay, it's running. Did it break? I don't know. Looks like it did. I don't see myself ever solving this in this video. How did I get there? That was a solve right there. Maybe. Yeah. Okay, so what did that look like? Alright, what were we doing? Let's get rid of these. Let's just remake our solve from the video. Mem2 is the 99, yep. If this is a cube, we run the for each. If it's slower than mem2, mem2 is mem1, yep. And then I had this other if to get out of there, which I got rid of. And then I had the calc, and then if mem2 I had is not the same as my direction. But why? Wait. I'm confused here. What does this do? How does this help me again? I don't remember. All these idiots on the wrong side. They're so annoying. How did this solve? I don't see it doing anything. Oh yeah, it does fail a bunch. And it's really slow. It's slower than my best somehow. The thing is, like, he reproduces the conditions that a program failed. It's just like bad luck in the RNG. It's when it fails. There's no conditions, like there's no input or anything. That it's just, oh, they didn't step in the right path and then it didn't solve before the time ran out. Probably that's when it fails. It's the only reason it can fail. It's silly. So why do I need this? Also, yeah, now it's gonna fail now, which is dumb. Anyway. Okay, okay. If I have a cube, I run for each tier. I find the lowest number. If the lowest number is it's the same or bigger than what I'm standing on, then we just leave, which basically means we found a 99 surrounded by 99s, right? Otherwise that can't happen. Yeah, and then we do the calc thing, and then if this is the same as we already have, then we don't do it, right? That's what this does. So we don't keep picking up the same block over and over again. Like if we have a 3 and we find a 2, we add 1 is 3, but we already have 3, so we just leave it. That makes sense. So it feels like if you just add a bunch of left steps, this should be faster by a significant margin, but I don't know that that is true. Because these guys are still idiots. And they'll always be idiots, so... There we go. It's not fast enough because they're just not randomly walking in there, and I don't know how to get there faster. This is a very frustrating one because it just... I don't think there's a way to not step randomly, and all the random step programs are just annoying because you have no control over what's going to happen. Yeah, it's just slow because they're not stepping in there. How do I make them step in there? I can't. Yeah, we are faster. Right? No, we're not. 5:30? Is that what it was? Wasn't it 7 something? I don't know. Yeah, there's 6 commands and a lot of seconds over. I don't know. I don't know how to not step randomly. Because I have to, right? Because I can't just keep going left. Because I can't solve these ones. I can solve these 3. And this one, I guess. At the start here. So if I step left and do that, you know, it just works for those, not for those. I mean, we could do something like this. But even this is wrong, because, yeah, she's wrong. And now this guy's wrong. And they're all wrong. And obviously they are also all wrong, because that's just what they are. I don't think there's a way to not step randomly. And I hate that. Because random steps are just the devil. They're just bad for everything. I just have no idea what else I could even do. It's such a bad solution too. Maybe I just need a more robust solution to before I start optimizing or thinking about optimizing. But I don't know. How is this gonna be? How is this gonna be something ever? It's just bad. This whole thing. I have no idea. I have no idea. I'm trying to think of something, I can't. I thought just left stepping would at least give me the time here, but it doesn't. Because random steps are just bad. But what else can I do? I can't keep going left because they're not lined up that way. I need to go up and down and then back right again. Yeah, I don't know. I just think, I mean, maybe for the time thing, if you combined both those things. Or something. Let's look at the time alone, I guess. Just get something that works more robustly, and then I don't know, go from there. So what are we doing right now? I don't know. I just want to step left. I don't care. Let's just step left even more than we have been, because they're still always getting stuck on the right. They're just idiots. They're complete idiots. I guess it just makes sense. It's hard to walk around like this than it is to walk like this, but It's a 5. They step 5 times to the left, and then... Okay, if we're on a cube... it seems okay, it doesn't really matter, I think. We run the 4 each, and then if this is lower than what we have... Save it, so we get the lowest one. I don't know. There's still the R stuck over here. It's so stupid. What if I step somewhere else? We have some things saved. What can we do with that? So we find the lowest number. That's not really any good here. Alright, let's just... Okay, we copy this mess, and we put it... What is this even doing? Ah, let's just trash it. Okay, so... If the cube we find around us is no, we need to change the logic for that. We need to find what could be. If we change the logic around, if we just invert it basically, if we say for each one, if it is lower than what we are standing on, or if it is bigger than what we're standing on, we pick it up. But where do I drop it? I need to step to it, and no. If you have a cube, we save what the cube is, and then we go everywhere. And if everywhere around us is bigger than... No, we do... Where I'm standing plus 1. And if that something is bigger than this... Okay, how exactly does this fail? We have a cube, it's 99. We do plus 1 is 100, and then we see if anything is bigger than 100, then we go there, pick it up, and write 100, and drop it. Right, yeah. So eventually this should solve, right? We do 4. Plus 1 is 5. We run the 4 each there. This is bigger than 5, so we go there, or we probably start here. I don't know where they start anyway, it just doesn't matter. We pick this up, turn it into a 5. Oh, but they keep... Right. They keep doing this. All these guys are idiots. Man. We need to do this, I guess, yeah. Oh, this is just bad. No, we do it differently. We do... I hate all of this. Mem2 is this. Mem3 is this, and then after we drop, we don't jump, we step back to Mem2. No, I need to not step random. But how do I not step random? The problem is, like this, I'm doing them all, right? Let's see, like this person right here, Sam. He does this 2, and he goes back. And he does this 2, and he goes back. Why would he do this 2? It's already a 2. Oh, because this is the wrong compare right here. But it's still relying too much on random, which is bad. Where's the mistake? I don't see it. It's hard to see. This one. Why is this one a 2? What? How does this keep happening? It's just this one in the corner. Someone turns it into a 2 and then that's that. Why? What? How is this ever something that happens? How is one ever bigger than whatever? The 2 that you want to put down. How does that happen? Who does it? It's always... What are you doing? Who did you think you are, Sam? Who's Sam again? This is Pete. Brad? Sean? Where's Sam? There's Sam. See Sam. He steps to the left a bunch. Now he's here. It's a cube. Yeah. So he saves the location of this cube. He calcs this. It's 2. He runs the for each. He finds one. This one up here. Makes it a 2. He goes back to the 1. Oh, she's holding it. And then he can't step to it, and so he just doesn't. So we're just gonna change this to this. There you go. It was pretty fast, right? No. I mean, it was faster, but not fast enough. More left steps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see if this is faster or slower. It's the same. I mean, it's slower, but it's basically the same. It does not make a difference. Why does it not make a difference? Because they're just very good at walking back out to the right, but Horber is staying over at the left there. And also, I mean, they can't really do anything over here is one of the problems, of course. Okay, how do we avoid the random step altogether? It's not easy. Because, like, okay, so the thing we're doing here is we're setting all of them. All of them that are bigger than what we want to write, we change them. So we make all of those... We're setting here, we make this a 4, this a 4, this a 4, this a 4, and this a 4. This is a goal. Which seems okay. But then we're still here in the end. I need to step somewhere. I could step to Mem 1 after I'm done. I don't know, I don't like that. Yeah, no, it doesn't work. They're just blocking each other now, very, very successfully. What are you doing? Are you trying to get up there? Because that's where you came from. But I need to step back here, alright? Otherwise, I mean, I don't have to. I could also just go all the way back out, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing. This is all really bad and I hate it. I have nothing. It's been an hour and I've made basically zero progress. I know that the random steps are killing me. At least for the time, for sure. But I don't know how to avoid them. I don't know how to be faster. Okay, so if the thing around us is bigger than what I'm standing on plus 1, we go there and we change it, and we go back to where we started. And if it is if it's lower than what I'm standing on, then we could do the math thing too, right? If this is lower than what I'm standing on, do this minus it. And if that is more than 1, then do I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna make a difference at all. I kinda don't think it is. Okay, so why am I getting stuck here? Mem 1 is a 3, which is not lower than the 3 I'm standing on, which is also a 3. So just don't go in here. No, you don't. Then you go up there. Oh, I didn't do the... Oh yeah, I got rid of the step completely. They're just not moving. No, we can't do like this. It's too slow. Uh, if then we save it. And if so, once I'm done with all of this, out of the 4 each, I do if. So I only calc once here. I hate all of this. It's just all bad. It's just so ugly. Everything I'm doing here is bad, and I'm not happy about it. So what's wrong? I honestly don't know. Oh, this... no, wait. What is wrong? This is wrong. How is this a 4? I have no idea how that failed there. But it's not robust. It's also slow. And it fails so often. How? How? How is this so bad? How is this so bad? I hate the, oh, here are the conditions. It's the same conditions always. It's just some weird RNG thing that happens. God. I also probably should actually, if we lower the number, we should go back here again, right? I shouldn't step. I mean, this would be okay, but no one is up here, so this is all bad. So slow. I don't know. I have no idea how it still fails 3 times. It's so hard to like debug this because it's just I don't know, I don't know. Maybe it's just slow because really bad RNG, or maybe there's something they're doing wrong. I can't tell. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. How could we change this? How could we change this? Actually, yeah, we probably would want something like this too, right? It's just this one here? Oh, this one and this one. And? What else? Oh, this one again. It still fails. I have no idea why. This is getting worse and worse. Why does it fail? I mean, it can only fail if it runs out of time, but it can only run out of time if either they don't go somewhere or they do something wrong. Like, this is all wrong. This is all horribly wrong, yeah. How does it happen? I have no idea. Probably some weird thing where there's a worker and I have not, you know, accounted for that. Whatever. So what if we don't step back? So we changed one and then we drop it, obviously, and we jump out here. Now they are stuck over there. These guys are real idiots. There's no, you can't convince me they're not. This is bad though, because we're never really doing this now, right? You're just stepping somewhere, changing it, and then we're leaving. So how would I can't really determine if I should change the one I'm standing on like that then, right? Like that barely happens at all. I also think I want this down here so it doesn't happen to start. Or something. Do I need this at all now? I don't think this does anything. How would I know? How would I know? I can't really know. I'd have to calc, right? Which is just bad. I mean, we'd have to put this here for sure. Otherwise it just doesn't happen. They just are stuck because they're blocking each other. How did that turn into a 3? What? Yeah, something somewhere just falls apart here again. Let's just get rid of this part again. Yeah, I'm getting so much slower again. This is just bad. This is much better at moving them over here. It's just horrible at sorbing. I think I'm gonna scrap this. Alright, I'm not scrapping it. I can't. I don't have time to record another hour here. So we'll just have to do it. We have to somehow do it. I haven't really changed anything here, I think. I changed this back so we do all of them. Just doing one of them makes no sense. We do all of them. That's just much better. So we step back, and I think I changed. There was like an extra thing here that I didn't need. Yeah, I had a step and a pickup instead of just a pickup, which made no sense. So I'm just going back to where I started, and then I keep running it. So we find every single cube around us that is bigger than what we're standing on plus 1, and then we change it to that. Right. But this is not good enough. I think it's robust. This is the robust version, I think. But it's not good. Just these two down here? Maybe. Nope, something else wrong. Didn't even see where it was, but they did it. But it's slow, it's like, what, 300 something seconds? 336. How is this faster? I swear I just ran this exact same thing. It's because it's completely random, and that's just, yeah, stupid. This is just stupid. It's just stupid, whatever. Alright, so. Let's see. Alright, so if it's not bigger, then then it means it's the same or it's smaller. Right? So if it's the same, I don't care, but if it's smaller, than what I'm standing on, which is mem2. Then what do I want to do? Mem1 minus Mem3. So the thing I'm comparing, which is smaller than I'm standing on, no, the other way around. Mem3 minus Mem1. Oh, that wasn't 3, it was 2. No, I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm confusing myself. Is it Mem2? Let's just do random things. No. Alright. if this other thing is smaller than what I'm standing on, then I want to do what I'm standing on minus that, and if that is if that is bigger than 1, right? Because I'm doing what I'm standing on 3 minus 2 is 1, and if it's more than 1, then I wanna do something. I wanna pick up and write and drop. I believe, right? I don't know. I hate this. I hate this so much. So what do I want to pick up then? What I'm standing on, which is mem2. I don't know, right? What do I want to write? I don't know yet. Is there a better way of doing this? There's probably a better way of doing this, right? So this is, let's say we have one where it makes sense. We have a 4 and we have a 2. 2 is smaller than 4. So then we do 4 minus 2 is 2. Which is more than 1, so we pick it up when we're standing on, that is, and then we want to write 3. I don't know. How do I... Okay, let's just do it a different way around, I guess. If it's smaller than that, then I'm adding 1 to it. Yeah, that makes more sense. I add 1 to it, and then if that is still lower than what I'm standing on, then I want to pick it up, write it, and drop it. And then I want to go somewhere else. Then I change this, so I want to do all of these things again. Do I need to do the calc again, or do I not need to do the calc again? I need to do it again. But I don't need to do this again, right? Maybe. I don't know. This should be better, I think. But it doesn't look like it will be. It just looks slower. And I hate it. Because I'm still random stepping too much for it to be good. Why is this so slow? Why is this even slower than the other one? This should be better. Because it's fixing some problems along the way. What's even wrong still? Just this 10 in there? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Yeah, it's just this 110 in there, right? But no one's even near it. Or ever will be. Why are you... What are you are? Just... Why? RNG is just horrible. Alright, we need to eliminate... I can't find my mouse. Because over this is too... Okay, they did it. It's so much slower again. This is fun. Or no, wait, it's not. What if you step 2 mem 1? They can't do that, because they don't have it set, alright. And if it's not set, then don't do it. And else do, then you step random, whatever, I hate you. What is mem 1? That's a good question. The last one of those in the air. I can't step to nothing. You shouldn't step to nothing. If it's not nothing, step to it. How can you tell me, oh, it's nothing, I can't step to it? God. I guess it's not nothing, because whatever. If it's bigger than 0. No, that has a right bias. Because the stupid for each always starts, I think, somewhere on the left and it goes to the right. So like up here, they're standing here, they're doing this one, but then the for each runs to here, and then the one is over here in the step to it. So I don't want that. I don't want that. I want something else. I want whenever I change it, I want that to be something. I need to reuse some variables here, which is bad, probably. We just save it in here. And we step to mem 4 instead. I don't know, I might break. It's still not working. This is all horrible. Because mem 4 should be the last one I changed now. Oh, this is the wrong way around, though, obviously, though. What's your mem 4? It's 0. I don't want to use mem 4 here anymore. What's mem 3? Just some random math thing. Let's use mem 3 right here. How are you still randomly walking over there? I guess yours isn't set? This is wrong though. They are dying. Does it make a difference? It still all breaks. Something doesn't reset right now. Okay, why does it not reset? Right, if it's lower than what I'm standing on. Add 1 to the other thing. If that is still lower than what I'm standing on, pick up what I'm standing on and make it that, drop it, and then jump out here. And then I do whatever, we go here instead, I guess. I don't know. Why is this breaking so horribly? I thought it was gonna be better, but it's not. Why? Maybe that's why. Why? Why? God. I can't optimize this because it's just horrible, and I can't debug because it's just horrible too. What's breaking this? You make all the 2s. Your mem4 is a 2, whatever. Are you at the end yet? You are. It's not nothing, so you go to it. It's right here. Very good. Make it a nothing again. Save this thing. 3 plus 1 is 3. Let's just find all the things that aren't... 1 plus 1 is 2? What? Oh, you're comparing up top now, that's fine. Yeah, this is fine. But this guy is messing it all up in the meantime, and that just ruins it, and I can't debug because I don't know which of the guys are messing up. It's just all messing up. Ignore stupid workers. Does this help? I don't know. No, it still all breaks. I don't know. I just don't know. I don't think this matters. Maybe it does. Maybe it does. I don't know anymore. Let's use Mem1 instead. Why not? I guess this does matter, but why? Why does it make a difference? Which variable I use? Because both are just used for counting things. I don't really understand that. Why is that making a difference? Because I only go in here if it is. Oh, but then I change it here, and then I would jump back out. But I reset it. I go here, and then I reset it. Mem3. I mean, I reset Mem1 too, because that's the for each variable, but here it gets reset. Why did it make a difference which one I was using? It was just, that was the last thing I changed in here, and then that broke everything. That's why I undid that, because it can't be this. Like, where a step can't affect why the logic is failing. That's why I changed the variable again. And I couldn't change it to mem4, because I need mem4 for the stepping purposes. I couldn't change it to mem, whatever, 2, because we need 2 to compare to. So I only left 1 and 3, and I chose 3 the first time around. And I don't understand why that broke it. Why does it make a difference where I save this? But it just does. It makes a huge difference. That's so bizarre. Oh, because I'm still in the for each, right. I'm still in the loop, maybe. I just found one that was lower, and then I changed this, and then go here, and I'm still in the loop, and then my mem3 are messed up, because it doesn't get reset. See, that makes sense. I'm just dumb. Of course that messes with the logic. I wonder if it would be fast enough without this whole second part. As we have some time to spare. Let's just do whatever. So if we don't do all of this, already feels slower. No, someone needs to step here. Yeah, that's why it's slower, because we need to step on specific ones. Right, that makes sense. I just wonder if it's still fast enough. It is still fast enough, okay. Whatever. I mean, we got it. I don't know, I'm not happy. I have no idea how to get the commands done, by the way. Just no idea whatsoever. Do I still have my... I have this thing, right? Yeah, we can trash can this one. Did I copy the right thing? I hope I did. Paste it. So if we just don't step left at R at the start. This is still 14 commands. And does this even solve? Is this the one that solves? Yeah, this is the one that solves, right? Maybe it is. I don't even remember now. It's been so long. It's been weeks, it feels like. It's been like an hour. Yeah, an hour and a half. Wow. This is really bad. fails a lot still, but that will be okay. How do we get rid of the free commands that kill it? I think I can get rid of this and then just do it end if it's not 99. Why is this like defaulting to up left now? Has it always done that? I don't think it has, right? I don't know. Is this the same logic or not? No, it's not. Right, this is the other way around. This one. I don't remember. Why do we need this one? The jump out, I mean? We maybe don't need it. It's still one command over though. Just not good. Yeah, no, this is breaking, yeah. I just stopped looking at it there. I don't know why I needed that thing. Because if mem2 is the same or bigger than what I'm standing on, then I haven't found one that's smaller and then I don't want to change it. But I could just change this logic for that, right? Like this. Or something. Because that's the opposite of the other one. But how do I get this down one more command? I don't even know if it soars yet. Let's just wait a second, I guess. It does. How do I get rid of one more? I need to step. I need this. Do I? I do, right? Yeah. At least, yeah. Because otherwise I can't compare to nothing. No, I could just do if this or it's nothing. Oh, but then... that breaks that side completely. Why? Because then we save the first one we find, and then we just keep saving them. Why is this a problem? I mean, it is, but why? Pora steps over here. She has a cube. She runs the for each. Oh, it's not nothing. It's 0. It still breaks. But not as much? Why? The stupid 4 in the bottom corner, I hate it. It did it again! Why? This looks alright. I mean, all of these guys are completely useless. That's sort of the point, right? Just step down over there. Why? I just want to see this fail for some reason. It's gonna run out of time is the reason it's gonna fail. Which makes no real sense, actually. It's just silly. What is even wrong? I don't know. Something is wrong, though. There's 4 down here again. Why did that? What? Why did you change it into a 4? Why? It's just... Why? Why? 5 people step over it and one of them... No, this has to be a 4. Why? This is... What? How do you come to that conclusion? It's a 5? 4 is less... 5 is less than 4? Sure. No, wait, what? Now, how do we get to the 4? That's the problem, I guess. How? Why? Why? What? Well, MM2 never resets or something, and then they do something silly. I thought I could do it. I can't. I can't do it. I think it's just something about this that's wrong. I just wish we could do this. And just trash all of this. Because yeah, we're not resetting it and that messes things up. But then how do I get rid of one more command here? I need a step, because otherwise it don't move. I need the... Do I need this? I don't. Maybe. Why is this so... annoying? I think this is maybe it now. I don't need the... I don't need this. Right? Yeah, that was completely... I don't know. Why I just didn't see that. I was blind for that. Like, I was just there for so long. I think I got it now. If this is gonna solve, which it might not. Making good progress? There we go. Yeah. Alright, that was painful. I needed to reset. Yeah, it made no sense not to reset, obviously, but whatever. We've done it. I don't care. It was very painful. I hope it was as painful to watch as it was to record. And I'll see you with the counter stuff, which I am not looking forward to. But that's it. Bye-bye.